In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Shojo Bubbles in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Shojo Bubbles and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single bubble stamp, or drag your brush to create a chain of repeated bubble effects. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the bubbles larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the bubbles closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the bubble effects later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Shojo Bubbles brush is designed to create decorative bubble effects as you paint instead of drawing each bubble manually. It's a good choice when you're adding soft backgrounds, dreamy effects, highlights, or decorative details to your artwork. And that's how to use Shojo Bubbles in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.